Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Civilsteps. So Civilsteps has started one of the important series that is for Prelims 2022. So Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civilsteps will help students to cover the important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment, and current affairs. So this Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant, and it will sail you through UPSC Civil Services Examination very smoothly. So today we will discuss important MCQs of current affairs. So the first question is, with reference to Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary, consider the following statements. First, it is the largest wildlife sanctuary in Kerala. Second, it is an integral part of the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. Third, it is bounded by Nagarhole National Park and Bandipur National Park in Karnataka in the northeast, and on the southwest by Mudumalai National Park in Tamil Nadu. So, which of the statements given above are correct? Option A 1 and 2 only, option B 2 and 3 only, option C 1 and 3 only, option D 1, 2 and 3. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. I hope you have written the answer. So the answer of this question is option B 2 and 3 only. So Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary is a wildlife sanctuary that is located in Wayanad, Kerala, India, with an extent of 344.44 kilometer squares and four hill ranges, namely Sultan Bathri, Muthanga, Kurichayat, and Tholpeti. So it is the second largest wildlife sanctuary in Kerala. It is established in 1973. The sanctuary is now an integral part of the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. It is bounded by protected area network of Nagarhole National Park and Bandipur National Park in Karnataka in the northeast, and on the southeast by Mudumalai National Park in Tamil Nadu. Hence, option B is the correct answer. So this was in news because of wildlife migration to Wayanad sanctuary begins. So this was all about that sanctuary. So these type of questions has already been asked by UPSC in its prelims examination. So what are the flagship species or important species found in any particular wildlife sanctuary or national park, which are very famous uh, and in the news recently. So some wildlife sanctuaries and national parks are very important from UPSC prelims exam point of view. So one of them is Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, Nagarhole National Park. So these questions has already been asked in 2020 or 2019 prelims exam. So you can refer that question and you can read more about these biosphere reserves and wildlife sanctuary and national parks. So you should also know about what is national park, what is the act behind it, what is wildlife sanctuaries and biosphere reserves also. So now let us discuss question number second. With reference to the Institute of Genomics and Integrative Biology, consider the following statements. First, the Delhi-based CSIR lab, Institute of Genomics and Integrative Biology, has successfully developed a unique pool of primers and kits to be used in RT-PCR testing of SARS-CoV-2 virus. Second, RT-PCR tests currently available contain primers for two or more genes. So, which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A 1 only, option B 2 only, option C both 1 and 2, option D, neither 1 nor 2. So the answer of this question is option C, both 1 and 2. So these both statements are true. This was in news because IGIB develops future-proof primers kits for RT-PCR test. So you should know about what is RT-PCR test, what is antigen test, so what is SARS-CoV-2 virus, what is the nature of virus, what is the difference between the size of virus and bacteria. So you should know all about these stuff. So now let us discuss question number 3. World Cancer Day is observed every year on option A, February 4, option B, February 22, option C, February 26, option D, February 10. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section. So the answer of this question is option A, February 4. So World Cancer Day is observed on the 4th of February every year to create awareness about cancer and to encourage its prevention, detection and treatment. Hence option A is the correct answer. So this was in news because of World Cancer Day on February 4, and Mansukh Mandviya asked everyone to spread awareness and help people suffering from cancer. So now let us discuss question number 4. World Oil Outlook 2021 recently seen in news is published by whom? Option A, World Bank, B, International Monetary Fund, option C, World Economic Forum, option D, Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. So you can pause this video. I'll tell you the correct answer of this question. So the answer of this question is option D, Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. So the government said that the World Oil Outlook 2021 flagship publication by the OPEC has projected that oil demand in India is expected to reach around 11 million barrels per day by 2045 as compared to approximately 4.9 million barrels per day in 2021. So option D is the correct answer. So this was in news because government takes up bilaterally with OPEC and heads of other international fora to convey India's serious concerns over crude oil price volatility. So this was said by Minister of State Rameshwar Teli. So this was in news because of this issue. So you should keep reading the current affairs which is in the news nowadays. So now let us discuss question number 5. Which of the following country has recently announced that the visa-free entry for Indian business travelers? Option A, Maldives, B, China, C, Pakistan, D, none of the above. So you can pause this video, you can write the answer in the comment section below. So I hope you have written the answer. So the answer of this question is option A, Maldives. So Maldives has announced that visa-free entry for Indian business travelers to the island nation comes into effect. So this was in news because visa-free entry for Indian business travelers to Maldives comes into force. So this was all about today's video. So you should keep reading all the current affairs which are in the news. So it will help you in solving MCQs in some way or the other. Maybe directly questions maybe not coming in the prelims examination, but it would help you in eliminating other options. So direct question can also come in a prelims examination. So you should keep reading all these current affairs. So this is all about today's video. Hope you like it. You can subscribe the channel and you can also press the bell icon. Thank you very much.